Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz.
YaadMentz.
Alright guys, it is such a rainy day here in St. Catherine, Jamaica. And what better to go with rain than food? You know, when the rain falls, it coming like you're hungry.
You can't really go to West Coast, so better just stay home and eat some food,
yeah. So today we're actually doing something new. We're actually thinking about starting this series called YaadMentz Tries.
Yeah.
Alright, so today we'll be trying something new on the market. What will we be trying today?
So it's the KFC Chizza.
Yeah. Is it Chizza?
Chizza.
Yeah, basically it's supposed to be a cross between chicken and pizza. So yeah, it has what, pepperoni on it?
Pepperoni and just chicken and cheese.
Basically. Yeah, so we're about to try this. I'm actually really hungry. I've been kind of looking forward to this all day.
I mean, I just want to see if it's worth the $700+ because you just get this like something here, no bread, no just cheese, just chicken.
Well, you guys will see because we haven't shown it yet, so you guys can't really tell. But if you've tried it, let us know in the comments down below. Yes. But we're about to try it now. This is our live reaction to the KFC Chizza.
Alright, let's begin.
Let's show them what it looks like. We can show them from here, sir?
Yeah, I mean, we can show them a clip of what it looks like.
So you guys will see the clip.
Alright, so first things first, I don't eat pork, so the pepperoni have to go. So we see here, it's what?
I don't think you can see, but it's in two, I guess.
It's in two slices. Right. So it's like a chicken. I'm gonna give them my pepperoni. It's like a chicken sandwich. Breast them just slap on some sauce on it and some cheese. Yeah.
Alright.
So I think it's spicy as well.
Yeah, the chicken is spicy and it's just tomato sauce and cheese. Alright, you want me to try or you want to give your thoughts first?
You can go ahead. Sure, go on.
Alright, so my own have all of the pepperoni on it. Let me break it in half.
You can definitely taste it.
What? I think you did something you want me to try.
But you can go and eat and then me top of my piece. You can definitely look at things that in a box, drop in a box.
I know.
You can definitely taste the sauce on it. The sauce is strong, but you can definitely taste the spicy chicken. Yeah, the spice are kicking. It's not too spicy, but the spice is there. The cheese, not really much. Really wish there was like some bread on it. I think it would have gone good with some bread. I don't know.
Let me just swallow first before.
It's not bad. It's really not bad.
Alright, for me, it is way too much salt. It's really salty.
I don't even taste that much salt.
Because you have the salt from the pepperoni, the salt from the chicken,
some cheese.
The salt from the cheese is really salty. I don't really think it's that flavorful. I love KFC spicy chicken.
It doesn't taste like spicy. After everything just go down and the palate start taste everything, it just tastes like a regular spicy chicken.
Yeah, so I like KFC spicy chicken. But I don't know, I just think it's a little overkill with the saltiness. They could have put something on it. Maybe if they added a different kind of sauce or something to give it a different kind of flavor. But I mean, it's okay. It's alright, it's edible. Yeah. But it's just a little bit too much salt for me.
It just tastes like a regular spicy chicken. You just have some little sauce on it. Because after your palate just go through the sauce and stuff, it just tastes like a regular spicy chicken, really. Yeah.
Yeah, so
is it worth the $700+ for me? No, it don't worth that $700 for just.
Yeah, it was $745.
$745, right?
Yeah, and this is all you get with it. You don't get a drink, nothing else. You get a fork.
You have a combo where you get a drink with it.
Yeah, but this combo is what, $795?
Yeah, $795.
It really isn't worth it to me. You can get a meal deal for less. And meal deal you get 2 pieces of chicken. This is almost like 2 pieces of chicken anyway. Yeah. And with a meal deal you get fries and
I think they should add fries to this. Like put some fries on it and the pepperoni and yeah, just I think that this needs some more on it for that price, like for real.
Well, I mean, it's new. They're trying something different,
Yeah,
and
true.
I also would suggest as well that they probably use so you can get it. You don't have to just get it with spicy chicken. Maybe you can get it with the barbecue or the original. You don't have to get just one kind of type of chicken on it, if you get what I'm saying. And I'm sure this is not gonna fill my belly. We bought one just because we have $700 for. I want to know where it goes stay. So we are sharing this one. But I mean, if you bought this as a single person, you alone eating it, it would definitely not fill your belly. It's better you buy something else. If you better you buy all 2 chicken box is less than this money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And that's 2 pieces of chicken, two
but let's not overshadow.
But it's not worth it. That's the point that I'm making.
It's not worth it, but you can try it if you want to see what the craze is all about. But I don't think you should spend $700.
Yeah, you can try it for a one-off thing, but I will not
probably
be
like
purchasing
$500 or but not. No.
Yeah, I will not be purchasing this again.
So this is YaadMentz Tries. This is our first
YaadMentz Tries.
This is our first video in this series type of thing. KFC Chizza.
Yeah, if you like to see more in this series, let us know if there's anything new out there on the market that you want us to try. Let us know, we'll try it and we'll continue in this series. We're gonna finish eating this salt and we will see you guys.
Yeah, the salt kind of kicking up now. I can't do just salt. Not over salty, but you know what I mean? It's alright.
We will see you guys in our next episode.
Yeah. Like, subscribe, share. YaadMentz. When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.